I am in grade 4, Francis, at Clancarty Primary School, and I'm here with the wonderful Mrs. Francis, who is an excellent teacher, and she's allowing me to teach a part of her maths class today. But what I was very fascinated by was the use of technology. So she wanted to incorporate videos and the TV in her class. And so I just wanted to know how you use technology in your classroom.
Okay, what I do is I create the slide, the presentation using Google Zoom. So you have like the activities and everything, videos, anything at all, live worksheets, whatever you want. You create and then you share it to your Google Drive, and then you project it to from here.
This is just one example of one of our brilliant teachers that we have in our country, and they are going above and beyond. You heard her say it. She goes home, she prepares her slides to teach her grade 4 class, and comes and has her videos and uses the technology so beautifully. So and this is her initiative, she's saying. So this is a great example of the kinds of teachers we have in our classrooms that are going above and beyond. We celebrate teachers like Mrs. Francis, who are just amazing.